Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is Defreezer, actually freestanding Defreezer. This is model wise AlfaLevel spa brand from Italy. It is model wise CGLES 2BS. This is the model. This drip is actually having problem. Its machine is working, fridge is working, but it's showing AH error message. Also is not cooling properly. Because of that only I'm going to check this diffuser, what is the problem exactly. Now I have to check, first I have to check compressor relay, otherwise relay contactor, also the diffuser sensor, cooling sensor, also heater. These three items we have to check. After that only we can recognize what is the exactly problem with this unit. Now you can see, dear friends, it is actually, it is already ice form everywhere. That's been externally here with the compressor is running. Also suction line also the flooded already ice. It is became too much ice here. You can see it is white color. Also fan is working properly. Only the suction line, that's mean it is internally evaporator is should be too much ice. Because of that actually showing error message AH error. This one actually we can resolve. We have to check properly. Compressor contactor, actually relay contactor, that one also we have to check. It should be the main issue. Also now I already switch off the power here. Now it should melt all the ice, but if it is hard ice, it will take a long time. But anyway, now we will try to remove the internally here evaporator cover. After removing this cover, we can find out sensor and heater. This screw we have to remove. You can see it's through the fan area we can identify it is too much ice. It is actually, it's look like it's very hard ice. It's not easy to melt. Here this side also you can see here it is form ice here. Now anyway we will try to remove the cover first. Here screws, and also one screw this side also. After this drain pipe nut we have to remove. Now I'm going to remove the drain line nut here. Now I'm going to remove this nut. Also three nuts already coming. Also if better to remove the light also here, it's very easy to take it out. And I remove that one. It is this corner also I can remove, and also other side also I have to remove. Now I will remove this light, actually internal light. It is tube light with the cover. Now I can remove it. Here this lock, we can remove the cover first. After that internally having two locks. Here this two lock turning. After that I can remove this part. Also inside having two nut also this with the cover. Now here two nuts, that one also I have to remove. Now it's okay, we can take it out. Now it is you can see it is easy to take it out the cover, but I don't think it is too much actually hard ice internally. It is because of that it's very difficult to remove. Anyway, we will try. I'm going to remove the fan. Here 4 screws. Now after removing all 4 screws, I can take it out. You can see, dear friends, I remove already fan. It is internally too much ice formed. It is very hard ice. It's very difficult to remove. Because of that, this cover also very difficult to remove. Now we have to wait until melting this ice. After that only we can remove the cover also, because while we are going to try to remove the cover, it will get break because of that. Now you can see, dear friends, it is internally all the ice are got melt. Now we can release the cover. Before I remove all the screws, everything, now we have to take it out like this. It's very easy. Now after that we can check sensor, also heater. Now I can remove the cover. Here it is lock. Now actually I check this one heater. It is already heater gone. Now I have to remove the heater cover. Here you can see it is 2 nuts, both side screws we have to remove. After that we can take it out the heater. It is already heater gone. This is the heater. This one before somebody else actually replaced the heater. It is not the original heater also. Now I have to remove this one and I will fix a new heater. This is the heater which is I'm going to fix new heater. Now I'm going to fix this one. It should be actually proper mounting, otherwise it's not while heat working time. It should melt all the ice. It should properly we have to fix. It should be the proper mounting. Now I can fix this screw. Now I'm actually fixing the same heater. Here also one screw, but small screw you have to fix is don't fix a long screw, because while you are fixing time it will touch with the pipe, it will get damaged. Very careful, you have to do that one. Now I already fixed the cover, heater cover. Now you can see here, now I have to fix here connector, because it's always getting wet. Because of that we have to cover the harness properly, otherwise it will get short, because it's always coming 230 power here. We have to insulation we have to do the properly, and also I'm keeping here cable tie also, otherwise it will touch, it will get abnormal noise also while touching the fan working time. It's getting vibrate. Because of that, 2 cable tie I'm going to fix here. Now it's okay. Now I can fix the cover here. After fixing cover, I have to fix the operator fan, cooling fan, otherwise Now I already mounted cover. Now I have to fix drain hose nut. We have to fix that one properly, otherwise water will leak. We have to fix properly. Now it's okay. I have to tight. Yes, dear. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the fan also. We have to tight properly all four. Now finally I have to fix internal light, mount and lights, everything we have to fit properly. After that our job will be complete. Now finally I fix already lights also. Now dear friends, my job already completed. I given power connection, machine getting start, already got start, machine is running well. Now 100% our job completed. You can see here it is working fine, also decreasing temperature also. Now it came up to 20. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you.